Let's ride.
Oh, sunrise paints the Mississippi golden slow, but this Memphis morning it's time for me to go. Born in Chicago, windy city, steel and grit. Now the open road is calling, ain't no time to quit. Got my Goldwing humming, smooth beneath my hand. Sometimes on the fury, low and meaning fast, leaving yesterday's shadows, making memories that last. Every state a postcard, every town a brand new friend. This journey's just beginning, gonna ride until the end. Oh, from bikes and beds, hear the engine's sweet song. Every mile a story where I truly belong. From the delta's rhythm to the mountains so high, I'm chasing horizons neath a brand new sky.
What's up? Up early Sunday morning. About to do a back road ride. Haven't been able to ride Yoda as much as I wanted. A little busy with work travel and everything, but I'm gonna do a little back road spin, loop if you will. Yeah, just to get some riding in on Yoda. So let me get geared up and get on down the road. Oh, Yoda looking good. That Nelson rig. I just keep it strapped on now. It look good. I like the way it look on the bike. It almost look like it's become a part of the bike. I like that look. I did my first oil change. Get the brake-in oil out. I'm at 1627. I know I could wait to 4,000, but I did the break-in. Got the break-in done. And then I got the center stand put in. I was going to do all that myself. But turns out I had ran into some battery issues. The first Yuasa battery went dead on me at the end of the winter. And then I got a new Yuasa, and I pretty much keep it tended over here. But I rode to work a couple times, and then I didn't keep it tended for about a week and a half, and doggone Yuasa battery would not start. So, warranty and all of that, I took it to the dealer. Good dealer here in Memphis, Moto Nation. They work on Hondas. They did all the testing, and battery came out good. All the electrical systems were good. So I guess I just keep it tended if I'm riding too infrequent. And so while I was there, I said, well, go ahead and throw my center stand on and change the oil, do the first break-in. So now I'm good for another 4,000 miles on the oil. But let me go ahead and get geared up and get me a nice back road spin in. All right, well, here I am. About to go and do some back road riding. Get my gloves on and then get it going. I got my hoodie in my side bag just in case I need it, but I'm not sure I will. But anyway, let's get it cracking. Just map me a little loop in the backwoods. So I'm gonna see how that turned out. Got me a little backwood loop. See how this go. Yeah, that's right here. Boom, 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 boom. Feel good out here, man. Oh, it feels outstanding out here. It really does. Get on. Ah, yeah. So like I was saying, I got the first oil change done, the break-in oil, I guess you can call it. And I got the center stand installed, all at the dealer. I had planned to do all that myself, but I wanted to get my battery and electrical system checked out. Shouldn't have been nothing wrong with it, but just the fact that I had to replace the first battery in the wintertime, and then I guess I just ride too infrequent. I pretty much weekend riding is what I'm doing, because I work all the time, Monday through Friday. So I'll just keep it tended. Then I got a nice jumper and a little mobile tender as well that I can always have with me. So I guess I'll be alright there. You know, when it's time to go on them long trips that I'm planning, I'll be fine because I got all the stuff I need. So that's okay. But yeah, about to do this back road loop that I just mapped. I literally woke up this morning and I was laying there in the bed getting ready to go in the bathroom. I just pulled up Google Maps. I know I'm not far from some back roads, so I just kind of created a little loop. It's about 35, 40 miles, I think. I don't know. We'll see. If the Google map don't work, then I'm just gonna loop in my head. Just keep riding, baby. But yeah, get some music going, get the wind in my face. So Just out here, man, rolling. Back road action, nice and smooth. Not trying to do no crazy racing and none of that stuff. Just out here, man. Smooth back road action. Nice. Got a nice little park here in Memphis that we can take advantage of. I'm gonna roll up here and see what it do. I might even get out and walk around. I might. Ooh, it looks like it's crowded. This looks super duper crowded. Man, okay, something happened. That's the problem. So up in the park kind of crowded today. Look like a lot of folks up here, man. They got a coffee food truck up here. Folks up here today. They is up here. I'm gonna stop for a hot second. Get out. Stop for a hot second. Just chill for a second. Folks up here stepping, getting their steps in. Got a coffee food truck. It's going down up here. That's what I'm talking about. Let me get a break. Ah man. That's it. Just took in some lake views and chilled out for a second. I guess I'll take it on in and get some breakfast. A late home breakfast at home. Guess that's what I'll do now. Yeah, a nice ride in. It was good. It was a good ride. Take it on in to the house. That, my friends, is it. I am back at the neighborhood. And that was a nice little ride, man. Nice little ride. Got some wind in my face. And now I'm back at the crib. Pretty good. Just a little throttle therapy. That was a nice loop. I think I need to do it better though. I need to map it out a little better so it can be longer. Wasn't long enough. Could be longer. And I think at one point I was literally going in circles for real. So I can do a little work to it. That's fine. I think I'm gonna get some breakfast and I got an extended pad for my kickstand. One of them wide foot thingamajiggers. I'm gonna put that on after I get my breakfast going. But yeah, I'm did my little loop, back road loop, and I'm back home. So until the next time.